So one website I really like using is the RhythmTrainer.com. And one reason why I really like using this website is because you can use it to teach really any age group because you're able to change the difficulty of the rhythms in order to make it easier or more advanced depending on what age group you're teaching. And there are a couple different ways you can use this website. For example, if you want to do more of a one-on-one lesson or monitoring of your student, you can bring them to your computer screen and set up a rhythm and evaluate them one-on-one. Or another way you can use this is to project your screen on the projector, and you can have the class work together to figure out what the rhythm is. So there's a couple different ways to set up. You have different rhythms down here that you can use, and you can see that if you just click these are going to be the rhythms that are in the questions that you're going to be asked. So if you want to teach, say, elementary, maybe you might want to stick to quarter, eighth notes, and quarter rests. And then when you've chosen the rhythms that you want to use, you can come up here and you can click mode A or B. So the difference between these two is mode A, you're going to hear the rhythm and then click which buttons are what you're hearing. So let's try slow with mode A. Here's an example. So you're going to listen first and then you'll click these to write down what you're hearing. So then you can have your student or your class say back what they heard. So let's listen again. And then say they heard a rest at the end. One thing before you submit your answer, you can also listen back or to hear what and see at the same time what you've written down with your class or student. Alright, and then you hit check your answer and it'll tell you if you got it right or wrong. So if we return to the main menu, let's try mode B with the same rhythms. This way you can see the rhythm, and then what you're going to do is use each answer choice. It's going to play for you a different rhythm, and you want to choose the one that is accurate to what is written up here. So we can play answer choice A. Answer choice B. Answer choice C. And answer choice D. And again, whether you're using this to assess one student or a whole class, if you have one student, they can probably just choose the answer on the screen. If I were teaching a classroom full of kids, I would have them just raise their hand each time you play a different one and see if or how many people might be hearing that answer choice. So I think it was B. We're going to play that one more time. Alright, and then if the majority of the kids are raising their hand for B, go ahead and click B, and it'll tell you if you got it right or wrong. Alright, so if we go to the main menu, say you're teaching maybe an older class of like early high school students or a little more advanced. You can try these different rhythms, and then let's try fast. So it's super convenient just to click which way you want to assess, fast or slow, and which rhythms you're wanting to use. So again, we're going to hear this one first and then click the rhythms that we are hearing. Alright, so say they're hearing this. And again, you can play it back to check your answer before you submit. Alright, and it'll tell you if you got it right or wrong. And that's pretty much it.